Hi guys, recently Google officially released its new AI image editing model, Nano Banana, aka Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. In this video, I would like to show you how to free use it in 3 methods. Let's find out what the new viral model can do. Method 1. Google AI Studio. The first method is using Google AI Studio. I will put the official link in the description. Make sure you select the new Nano Banana model, and then we can simply enter the prompt to generate images in the dialog. Let's use the default prompt and click on Run, and after a few seconds, it creates this image. It also supports image to image. Take the viral AI figure trend for example. I am now importing an image from the K-pop Demon Hunters movie, and ask AI to turn the image into a character figure. And there it is. Nano Banana can easily create realistic AI figure images in seconds. I will also put the prompt I use in the description. Feel free to explore it yourself. Method 2. Gemini. We can also use Nano Banana in the Gemini app. Here select the Create Images button. It's basically the same as the first method. All we need to do is tell AI what we want to generate. I am using a different image this time, and ask it to turn the characters into AI figure. And there we have it. Pretty cool, right? The character's features are very well kept. That's awesome. The 2 methods are free to use. However, you might encounter generation limits if you generate too many times in a short period. Method 3. HitPaw FotorPea. The third method is using HitPaw FotorPea. It's a powerful all-in-one AI image editor, including photo enhancing, image generation, object removal features, etc. There is a Nano Banana icon in the homepage. Click on it to enter, and here showcasing lots of viral templates for you to use directly. That's very convenient. We can also import own images here, and enter the prompt to create images as the previous 2 methods. Alright, that's the share for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.